Hey everybody, so you've completed your pre-assessment now and you can go and hit your learning path, which shows the topics that you need to go over for your work here so that you can have some better understanding of them. So let's talk about what happens when we go through and take a review. So I'm going to click on the place value and names for whole numbers. So let's assume for quickness here that I've gone through the presentation, I've gone through the worked examples, I've done that scroll through the topic text, which is too long, and all of that. I've done the practice. I'm going to go back to the home here. I've done the practice and now I'm ready to take the review. So I'm going to click on the review and I'm going to hit begin. And for the sake of this, I'm just going to, quickly hit things here and I'll show you what we get for the score. So I'm doing very poorly. So submit. It is thinking. No, no. Oh, 50 plus 7. Let's do that. 45. There we go. Okay, so I got none correct because that's how quickly I went through. So note to self, don't do that. But here's the thing. Once you get to this review and you have some results, notice how it says retake or continue. You are allowed to retake this review to improve your score. I don't want to have to put in a 0 for you in that particular thing because you get 5 points for all of these reviews that you do. So each of them is worth 5 points. If you get a 0, then that's going to give you 0 out of 5 points. If you get a 4 or 5, hold on, I'm grabbing my stuff. If you get a 5 out of 5, then, or if you get a 90%, I should say, then you get a score of 5 points. If you get between a 75% and an 89%, you get a score of 4 points. So, for example, if you got 66% correct on this review, then you would get 3 out of 5 on in your grade book. So maybe you don't want to get 3 out of 5 because those can, take off points quickly if we keep getting those. So you can always hit retake and then you get to do it again. So I encourage you to do that in any of the ones that you need a better score in, because it's not something, like I said, maybe you don't know yet that you can retake them. So that's why I'm making this video, so that you know you can. So if you have any questions, give me a holler. Thanks.